How to turn on dark mode on your Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can turn on or off dark mode for your Android device. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Get started by opening up your settings app. In here, scroll below and tap on to display. As you do so, you will see light and dark mode. My current screen is on dark mode, but in case you would like to turn it on to your light mode, simply tap onto light, and this will change your screen to your light mode. In case you would like to comfort your eyes, you can also go ahead and tap on this eye comfort shield, and it will make your screen look like this. You can also adapt your brightness by simply toggling off your adaptive brightness and using the cursor for your brightness. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.